In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Squoosh without losing quality. We'll walk through the exact settings inside Squoosh to keep your images sharp while adjusting their dimensions. First, open your browser and go to squoosh.app. The tool runs entirely in your browser, so there's nothing to install and no account needed. When the page loads, you'll see a large area inviting you to drop, paste, or open a file. Click the drop or paste area. You can drag a file in, paste one from your clipboard, or simply click to browse your computer. Choose an image you want to resize. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and even some modern formats are supported. Once your image loads, Squoosh will show a before and after preview with a draggable divider so you can see changes in real time. Next, pick your preferred compression type on the right side. This is the output format you'll save to. If you're not sure what to choose, starting with MozJPEG for photographs is a safe bet, while WebP or AVIF can produce smaller files. The key here is that we'll prioritize quality first, then you can balance file size later if needed. Now open the Resize panel. This is where you set your target dimensions. You can enter exact width and height or switch to percentage scaling. For the best results, avoid upscaling beyond your image's original size, since enlarging tends to introduce softness. If you're reducing size for the web, consider picking a width you commonly use, like a site's content width, so you aren't resizing repeatedly. Under Method, click to select the resampling filter. Choose LanceOS 3. This filter is excellent for preserving edge detail and minimizing artifacts during downscaling, which is exactly what we want when resizing without losing perceived quality. Turn on Maintain Aspect Ratio. This keeps your image from stretching or squashing so the proportions remain accurate as you change one dimension. With this enabled, adjusting width will automatically update height and vice versa. Finally, set the quality to 100 for your chosen codec. This ensures you're not adding extra compression loss while you confirm the size and appearance. You'll see the impact immediately in the preview. Use the divider to compare sharpness and fine textures. If the file size ends up larger than you need, you can gently lower quality later, but starting at 100 helps you judge the resize itself without compression getting in the way. And that's it. With the right format, the Resize panel, LanceOS 3, aspect ratio locked, and quality at 100, you'll get crisp, clean downsizes in Squoosh with minimal quality loss.